Namaste दोस्तों. Hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. Welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to calculate TDS under section 194Q, which is purchase on good. So many accountants, so many junior accountant, they can be accountant, they can be work as an account assistant, and so many people get confused how to calculate TDS on purchase on good under section 194Q. So people are getting confused on which value they have to calculate TDS on total invoice value or accessible value. So many confusion is running over there. So don't worry, I am here and I will tell you how to calculate properly TDS on 194 section. So I'm going to tell you in this video practically I will tell you how to calculate TDS and how you have to first verify on which amount you have to calculate TDS and how you have to pass TDS entry and how you have to record payment TDS entry. All these things we are going to see in this video practically in Telegram so that you can also do it successfully in Telegram. So before starting video and before move into the video, it's my personal request to all of you. If you are coming first time, visiting first time to my channel, so please like, share and subscribe, and please appreciate me and support me. This is my new channel, so please support me by liking, sharing and subscribing to my new YouTube channel. So let's go into the video. Open Tally Prime and from Gateway of Tally press DAL, and now I'm going to open any of parties ledger which is liable for TDS. So I'm going to open Suman Alarm Company's ledger, and from here you can see parties ledger has been opened, and from here first we will need to change the date, and as you know we calculate TDS month wise. So let me change the date. I'm going to change the date for the month of May. Now you can see purchase detail has been opened for the month of May, and there is approx 6 or 7 transaction, and the total value of purchase invoice it's 60 lakh 18,000. Now let me tell you something about 194Q section. So what is 194Q section? So 194Q section is for purchase of goods, and the threshold limit of this act is 50 lakh. If you are purchasing 50 lakh or more than 50 lakh with any of registered person, so you have to deduct TDS 0.1%. If you are purchasing in aggregate year, so now you can see there is a month wise purchase detail has opened, and the total purchase amount is 60 lakh 18,000, which is liable. So there is so many confusion with some accountant and with some people on which amount we have to deduct TDS. Should we deduct TDS on total invoice value 60 lakh 18,000? So no, it's not. You don't have to deduct TDS on 60 lakh 18,000 amount. You only have to deduct TDS on assessable value. TDS to be deducted only on taxable value. Now you can see there is no much transaction, there is only 6 or 7 transactions. So if you want to calculate TDS on calculators, I open a single entry so that I can explain you how you have to calculate TDS. So here I have opened a single entry of purchase, and now you can see here is taxable amount of 5 lakh rupees and 45,000 it's a tax, and total invoice value it's 5 lakh 90,000. So you don't have to calculate TDS on total invoice value. You don't have to calculate on 5 lakh 90,000. You have to calculate TDS only on taxable value, which is a 5 lakhs. You have to calculate 0.1% on 5 lakh rupees. If there is no more transactions, so you can calculate by manually by opening your entry. If there is 3 or 4 or 10 or 20 invoices, you can calculate manually. If there is so much transactions, so what you have to do, it is not possible to calculate by opening one by one entry. So how you will calculate easily if there is a so much transaction, if there is a large number of transaction, I will tell you. So now you can see columnar option will be appear on the right hand side. So you have to use this option and you can easily calculate your TDS on. How columnar option will be used, I'm going to tell you. First open your parties ledger, of which party ledger you want to deduct and you want to calculate TDS, and after opening change the date for the month of which month you want to calculate TDS, and from the right hand side click on columnar option. After clicking columnar option you will get to see Here you can see so many options are showing over here. So accordingly you can change yes or no, and by pressing Ctrl A, save the changes. Now you will see columnar wise party details you will see over here on the screen. So you can see columnar wise detail, you will see separately all the details like party name, voucher type, voucher number, voucher reference number, GST number, value, gross total, purchase account, IGST, CGST. You will get to see columnar wise party detail. So from here you can easily calculate your party TDS. So what you have to do, you have to export this data into Excel format. So click on export and click on current, and now you have to select Excel spreadsheet option. If this option is not showing, click on configuration option and we need to configure. Select file format in Excel format and click on send and click on yes. It will take few of seconds for exporting this data in Excel format, and now data has been export in Excel format. Now you can see, and in gross total value you can see your total invoice value 60 lakh something, and in purchase account this is your taxable value, and in CGST and in SGST this is your tax amount. So if you want to cross verify your data, so gross total value it's your total invoice value 60 lakh something, and purchase account and CGST SGST all together this should be matched by your total invoice. So this is matching 60 lakh 18,000. It means our data is correct. Now purchase account it's your taxable amount, and we have to calculate. This is a 51 lakh rupees, and now we have to calculate TDS on this taxable amount. How you will get your TDS amount, I will tell you. On the screen you can see you have to take out 0.1% of 51 lakh rupees. So do here is equal to 51 lakh rupees divided 100 multiply 0.1%. Now this is your TDS amount 5100. This is your TDS amount which has to be paid to the government on the behalf of party. If you want to make TDS month-wise summary, so you can make as I'm showing you on the screen. You can make detail something like this: TDS detail for the month of. You can mention your month of which month you want to make details, and you have to mention your party name. Invoice amount it's 51 lakh rupees. TDS amount it's 5100. So I'm going to tell you how you have to record TDS entry in Telegram. So from here, press Alt A and select from the right hand side journal voucher. By pressing F2, you can change date. So I'm going to change the date. And now you have to debit the party of which party you want to book TDS. So party ledger will be debit 5100 rupees, and if you want to adjust against reference invoices you can adjust, otherwise you can skip it because there is a lot of invoices again which we have deduct TDS. And from here you have to create a new TDS ledger. So by pressing Ctrl C you can create ledger TDS payable on 194Q. If you want to create in short, you can create something like this. If you want to create in detail, so you can create like this: TDS payable on purchase on goods in bracket 194Q. Under you have to select current liabilities because TDS payable is our current liability. So party ledger will be debit 5100 rupees and TDS payable will be credit 5100 rupees. So you have to record TDS entries something like this I'm showing you. And in narration mark being TDS book for the month of which month you want to booking, you can mention month. So you can see party ledger, there is a purchase entries showing in above, and you can see just we have record TDS payable entry. So this is our TDS payable amount which we will pay to the government before TDS due date before 7. So I'm going to tell you how you have to record TDS payment entry. By pressing Ctrl A, you have to select payment voucher and you have to select date by pressing F2. And TDS payable on purchase of good will be debit 5100 rupees, and you have to credit your bank of which bank you want to make the payment. And in narration you can mention TDS payment for the month of which month you want to make the payment. You can mention your month. So by pressing Ctrl A, save this entry, and now you can see the party ledger, and I'm going to show you TDS payable ledger. So TDS payable ledger has been opened, and by pressing Ctrl F2, first we have record the TDS entry, and after that we have paid to the government. Now ledger has been nil. So something like this you can also calculate. First I will tell you how to calculate TDS on taxable value, and after that how you have to record TDS entry, and after that when you pay to the government, so how you have to pass TDS payment entry. Forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my future video and you will not miss any of my future videos. And if you wish, you can also search my channel on YouTube or on Google by searching my channel name Suman Education Hub English. You will get my channel and you will get all related videos, accounts related video over there. If you want to learn accounts in Hindi language, you can also search my Hindi channel Suman Education Hub. You will get all the accounts related video over there in Hindi language. If you want to learn accounts in English language, you can search this channel Suman Education Hub English, and over here you will get all the accounts related video in English language. So I hope this video will help you out. If this video will help you out, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you, and keep watching my videos.